In today's bustling world of cookware, this Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet emerges as a top-tier option for anyone passionate about creating flavorful dishes in the kitchen. Designed with functionality and durability in mind, this 12-inch nonstick frying pan is packed with features that make it an essential addition to any culinary enthusiast's toolkit. Whether you're frying eggs for breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner, this skillet is up for the challenge. Let's dive into what makes this skillet stand out and why it could be the perfect fit for your kitchen needs. Key benefits of the Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet. 1. Superior heat retention, perfect for evenly cooked meals. 2. Rust resistance, ensures longevity and easy maintenance. 3. Removable handle, increases versatility for stovetop and oven use. 4. Non-stick surface, enhances cooking and cleaning convenience. 5. Healthier cooking, PFAS-free and adds iron to your diet. Unparalleled durability with high-quality cast iron. One of the standout features of the Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet is its heavy-duty construction. Cast iron has long been the gold standard in cookware due to its exceptional heat retention and even distribution properties. Unlike aluminum skillets, food cooked in cast iron has a distinct, superior taste, a testament to its ability to sear and lock in flavors. Moreover, this skillet can supplement the important iron needed for a healthy diet, making it both a practical and health-conscious choice. Rust-free innovation. A common issue with traditional cast iron skillets is rust. Lamfo addresses this with its cutting-edge anti-rust treatment technology, ensuring long-lasting rust resistance. Regardless of how frequently you use this pan, it maintains its pristine condition. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its non-stick properties. Food residues don't cling to the surface, allowing for a quick wipe down to restore its original shine. For added convenience, it's dishwasher safe, though it's recommended to remove the handle before loading it into the dishwasher. Ergonomic and removable handle. Comfort and versatility are key features of the Lamfo Skillet. It comes with an ergonomically designed round handle that's easy to grip and maneuver. For recipes that require oven cooking, the removable handle is a game changer. Simply detach it and place the skillet in the oven to expand your cooking options. Whether baking cornbread or finishing a steak, this pan adapts seamlessly to your needs. The brand also offers a lifetime guarantee on the handle, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Non-stick perfection, PFAS-free. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the skillet's PFAS-free coating, making it a safer alternative to traditional non-stick pans that often contain harmful chemicals. This feature guarantees that your food is free from toxic substances, providing a healthier cooking experience. Plus, its non-stick capabilities are ideal for delicate dishes like eggs or pancakes, ensuring flawless results without sticking or breaking apart. Versatility for every cooking style. The Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet is not just a frying pan, it's a versatile culinary tool. It's suitable for various cooking methods, including stovetop frying, sautéing, baking, and more. The skillet is compatible with all heat sources, including gas, electric, induction, and even open flame. Its oven-safe design adds another layer of versatility, making it a favorite among professional chefs and home cooks alike. Why choose Lamfo? Lamfo has established itself as a brand committed to delivering premium quality cookware that enhances your kitchen experience. The skillet's innovative design, durable materials, and user-friendly features set it apart from competitors. Plus, Lamfo backs its products with reliable customer support, ensuring that any issues are promptly addressed. Perfect for gifting. Looking for the perfect gift? The Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet is an excellent choice for weddings, housewarming parties, or birthdays. Its combination of practicality, aesthetic appeal, and durability makes it a gift that recipients will cherish and use for years to come. How the Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet compares to competitors? The market is flooded with cast iron skillets, but the Lamfo Skillet holds its ground against the competition. Its unique rust-proof technology and removable handle give it a clear edge over traditional options. Final verdict, is it worth buying? If you're searching for a durable, versatile, and health-conscious frying pan, the Lamfo Cast Iron Skillet is a fantastic investment. It combines the traditional benefits of cast iron cookware with innovative features designed to make your life easier. Its thoughtful design and premium materials make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.